I don't think people understand how powerful AI can be for YouTube growth. YouTube growth. It's all about AI, folks, and Tube Magic is your new best friend. Imagine this, you're bursting with creative ideas but struggling to turn them into compelling videos. Tube Magic's AI-powered tools are here to save the day. Need fresh video ideas? Tube Magic analyzes trends and suggests topics tailored to your channel. Scriptwriting got you stuck? Let our AI generate engaging scripts in your unique voice. And don't worry about SEO, Tube Magic optimizes titles, descriptions and tags to get your videos noticed. With Tube Magic you can focus on what you love, creating amazing content, while we handle the rest. It's like having a personal assistant that works 24/7 to grow your channel. So, ready to take your YouTube journey to the next level? Get started with Tube Magic today, and watch your subscribers and views soar. Remember, with Tube Magic YouTube success feels less like a struggle, and more like magic. Unlock your channel's potential now. Try Tube Magic and let the magic unfold.